So, hello everyone, very good evening to all of you. I'm Yashovardhan Mishra. So, after the written result of Union Bank Local Bank Officer, Union Bank has recently released one more result. Okay, so let's see what it is about. So, you can see the notification here. So, for the recruitment of local bank officer, so this is the list of basically the candidates who are shortlisted for the personal interview. So, you already know that after the written exam, the student have to appear for the language proficiency test and document verification stage. So this document verification and the LPT exam was held between 17th of March till 21st of March. So after this, they have released the final list of candidates who are going to appear for the Union Bank local bank officer personal interview round. Okay, and there is a one more thing you have to notice in this notification is that the personal interview is tentatively scheduled from 2nd of April till 5th of April 2025. All right. So please remember this thing. Your interview is going to held between this time period between 2nd of April till 5th of April, and I believe you must have received a email notification from the Union Bank also, because many students they were saying, sir, we have just received the interview detail email. Okay, so go through it. Please share the interview schedule with us. All right. Now coming to the most important part, that is now what we have to do, because see, today is 26th of March. Around let's say 1 week you have days left. Okay, 1 week time you have with you. So what all the things you have to do in this time period? So we have already given one YouTube video with Siv Rama sir, in which we have we will have actually discussed in very much depth that what should the students should do in this time, whether they should prepare the banking awareness, whether they should do the current affairs, how much time they should devote for the current affairs and for the banking awareness, right? What is the role of confidence? We have discussed each and everything in that video. So do watch that video, and it is going to help you immensely, right? Now coming to the part that, sir, right now what should be my strategy? So guys, please don't wait for the mock interview at the very last moment. Please start giving mock tests as much as you can. So we have at Oliveboard, we have started a personalized interview batch for the Union Bank local bank officer. So you can enroll in that programs where you will get multiple recorded videos to cover the entire banking awareness, current affairs, live session for budget, survey. Okay. Apart from that, you will be getting the notes and you will be having one-on-one personal interview with the ex-bankers, right? So that is a very high yield program. See, you have given your 100% for the written exam. So please give the same for the interview stage also, because the number is going to count in your final merit list. So do join that program, and whenever you join that Union Bank local bank officer personal interview batch of Oliveboard, use my code YASH YASH to get maximum discount. All right. So before ending the session, I would like to focus on one more thing, that is that two or three things which you have to prepare by yourself. That is, first of all, your personal background. Okay, personal background. From which city you belong, what is the meaning of your name, any important political event or economic event from your state. Okay, so state information is also very important. Then your education background, very important. So if you're a mechanical engineer, you are a, let's say, electrical engineer, or from agriculture, how you're going to apply your graduation subject in the banking sector. They can ask you questions like this, right? Second thing is again the your core education, the banking related stuff. Okay, so in this you have to focus on specific things. Don't read the entire banking awareness. Please go and read the basic banking operations related things. For example, you have to deal with checks, you have to deal with NPAs, you have to deal with let's say different types of bank accounts. Okay, so please focus on the basic aspect, don't go in with much depth, right? So focus on this. Third one is current affairs. Current affairs, again, focus on the events rather than on news. Events, for example, the elections were there, the Mahakumbh was there, right? Stampede happened in Mahakumbh. So what are the various measures which the government can take to avoid these kind of things? Then US elections were there. What is the new trade tariff policy of India and US, right? Russia Ukraine war. All these things, the event based study you should do for the current affairs, right? Fourth one is the situational awareness. They can give you some kind of case study that you are a bank manager and some angry customer comes to you, how you are going to deal with that. Or let's say you don't know about the local language, right? Or let's say some kind of situation they can put you, and they want to check your personality, how you do well or not during a stressful situation. Okay, so these are the things they can give you. Then fifth one is, let's say they can ask you about your strength and weakness. What are your aspirations, hobbies? So please focus on these things. One very important aspect is the introduction. Please keep the intro short and simple. We have already discussed in the Sivrama sir session that many students, they tend to over exaggerate their introduction. Sir, I am this, I belong from this state, my father is this, mother is this, blah blah blah. Please don't do that. Keep it very professional. Your name, from which city you belong, your educational qualification, and if you have any kind of hobby, just tell them, or your family, how many members are here in your family. That's it. Keep it simple. Keep it less than 1 minute. Okay, try to answer it in 30-40 seconds. That's it. Okay, one more thing, if you don't know the answer of anything, please tell them very politely, sir, I'm not able to recall, sir, I'm not aware of this thing as of now. Okay, I'll try to read it later. Okay, so please do that thing. Keep all these things in mind. This interview, na, it is not about your knowledge, it is about your personality. How confident you are while answering a question which you know the answer, how confident you are while answering a question which you don't know about, how you tell them no, that also matters. Okay, so guys, this is it from my side today. You can check the entire your roll number from this PDF. Okay, so state wise roll number has been given, and surprisingly the maximum number of candidates who have applied are from Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. So I have gone through the numbers also, right? So you can check from this entire list your known roll number, and if you have qualified, do let me know in the comment section. All right, sir, I have qualified or not. Okay, chalo, please prepare it. Please join the Oliveboard interview session. It is very important. You would not regret it. Also, it is very fruitful and it is very high yield program. Okay, and I'll be also there for you to help you at every stage. Okay, chalo, I'll see you in the next session, guys. All the very best for your interview preparation. Take care and Jai Hind.